guys, hello, welcome to my channel. If you guys have not seen any videos from me before, hi, my name is Jalen. On my channel I go by TheRealJDoll, but on this video I'm trying to keep it professional. I'm trying to keep it classy because I actually am going to view a home. Yes, so my name's Jalen, I'm 23, and right now I'm looking for a place to stay. I stay with my parents. Actually, let me get out. I have to get to this open house.
Starting route to 63, head east.
Okay guys, so
in a mile, turn right onto
Siri. So right now I'm on my way to go view a condo. I graduated from school a year ago. Then I moved home right after I graduated, and I've been home for almost about a year now. And I told my parents, give me about a year or so, then I'll be ready to skirt. So it's about a year. I'm so blessed to be put into the position that I am in right now. My job has great relocation benefits. To sum it all up, I feel like there's no reason for me to go in on an apartment when I know I'm going to be living here for a while, and I don't want to put my money towards something that I won't own, flat out. So I've always been interested.
Turn left onto.
So I've always been interested in moving into a condo or a small home. So today is day one of my move-in series. I'm gonna vlog sporadically because I don't know how long it'll take me to find a property, but hey, we're gonna get there. This actually isn't the first one. I seen one accidentally about maybe 2-3 weeks ago. A real estate agent was there, not my real estate agent, but an agent was there, and he had the keys, so he got to like show us inside the place, and it was super nice, but upstairs had water damage, y'all, and I just could not go for that. As soon as you pull up that carpet, you don't know what you're gonna get yourself into, so that was a no. But this is like the first one that I'm going to like intentionally. Usually I go with my parents, but they're out of town right now, so I got my homegirl Jasmine to come with me, and we're gonna dive into this property. I'm so excited. So I think this is gonna be more of a moving diary kind of session. I'm gonna be talking to you guys pretty transparently about how I feel about what's going on and stuff, so just be patient with the way this video goes. I hope you guys enjoy the content. So this property, 9 times out of 10, 8 times out of 10, let me say, because God be doing his thing, but I already know that I'm not gonna get it, only because it was just put on the market, and my agent told me that there's already plenty of offers available, and I haven't got pre-approved for a loan or anything yet. So this one is kind of just like a dry run to see, like, you know, what's the scene of an open house and everything. So when I was getting dressed, I'm like, what do you wear to an open house so that they'll take you seriously? Because I still feel like I'm kind of young. I'm 23 and I look very young too, so I don't want to look childish. So I have on a nice white shirt, a little cardigan, some boots, and some jeans, something kind of casual. I'm not looking a mess. My hair was actually fortunately done today because, baby, I got on some spectacles because I feel like spectacles just make you seem a little more serious. And then I got my nice little over-the-shoulder Michael Kors bag because I want to let them know, like, hey, I'm not here to play. And then I have on some perfume, some Giorgio Armani, or maybe it's not Giorgio. I forgot what I have on right now, but it's giving grown. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm really doing this. What the heck? I need to get myself in the mood of a buyer. So I'm gonna play some tunes, and I will talk to you guys when I get to the place. Guys, I just pulled up to the place, and I'm scared. I'm so scared. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is the place from the outside. This unit here. I'm nervous, child. I'm nervous. But let's go ahead and go inside. Alright, so here is the home. Here are a few pictures that I grabbed from online. It was decorated, you know, pretty nice. Not necessarily my style, but it was decorated nice. Not gonna lie. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. So it was 2 full bathrooms and then 1 half bathroom on the first floor when you first entered in. Overall, it was nice. The asking price was $150,000, and then the selling price ended up being $182,000 is what I'm seeing now. So here's a couple clips that I took while I was there. This is the master bedroom. There's the closet. It was like a nice, decent sized walk-in closet, and then it had this opening, bending door. I actually struggled closing it back, so you're gonna see me like get away from it immediately because I didn't know what I was doing, and I'm not trying to break nothing during an open house. But the vanity area and the sink were super short, like midget size. That's what it was giving. The bathroom overall, it wasn't bad, but you know, I honestly would have liked something a little bit bigger. It did have storage in there, so that was nice. And then also, and this is the top floor, by the way, also on the top floor there was another bedroom, and that was more like her craft room, and it was cute. You know, it was, both of the rooms were decent sized. The way she had it set up throughout this whole home was cute, farm style, but that's not really like the style that I'm into. So this next clip is me walking downstairs and showing like some of the first floor, and then there was also a basement as well. So I think she was still living there because this is decorated too nice. So who's gonna stage it like this? Like, no. So yeah, overall it was pretty nice, pretty cute. You know, TBH, it was cute, cool, like a dress. Hey party people! My voice is a little gone, so you're gonna have to excuse it, but today I am going to view a condo. Ooh. I viewed two properties already in person. TBH, they were cute. I liked one of them, and the one that I'm going to see today is actually in the same complex of the first one that I seen, because I really liked that first one, but I just was not ready. Like, that was a few months ago. Yeah, so the condo that I'm referencing, I actually did not record it, but my mom did. So I'm going to go ahead and tag her video here so you guys can view it if you wanted to. It was really nice, big, spacious. It was just too big for me. Price was a little high, but it wasn't too crazy. But overall, like, it was super, super nice. So check out her video and then hop back to mine, or check out her video at the end of this one. So I'm excited. The pictures were a little sketchy, but lately I've really been into like home renovations and stuff, and this has like, it's nice enough to where it has like a few small projects to do, but I don't think it's anything major. Hey. What's up? So we're gonna go view it. So now we just waiting on my mom to come out the house, and then we're gonna get this show on the road. So we will see you guys at the Airbnb. At the property. Okay guys, so we've made it to the condo. I'm super excited, and now we're just waiting on my real estate agent to get here. So this is the front door. The bedroom is huge. The master bathroom. I don't know if I like this or not. Open area. Here's the kitchen, office space. Ooh. I don't know what that is.